Alright, this is a walkthrough of activity 9-6, configuring GPO security settings. In particular, we're going to be activating and setting a message basically saying that only authorized users are allowed to log on. So we want to get into our Active Directory users and computers, and just as we were accessing policies particular for an OU, we're now going to access the default domain policy, and this is number 1. This is how you're actually going to get into it. So right clicking on domain 01 brings up the default policy. We're going to say edit, and we will find computer configuration. This will apply it to every machine that this policy, which will be every computer on the network that's assigned to this domain. So this domain server plus all computers that fall under it. So we're going to come under software settings, security settings, security options, the local policies. There's our security options, and we're going to make two changes. The first one is to the message text for interactive login. Have to expand this out a little bit. So we have message text, and the second we will be editing will be the message title. So we need to activate it, define this for the template, and we'll say only authorized users of Dover Leasing are permitted to log on. And this is the same thing as a logon banner. We'll say apply, and notice that we've set it, and that's our message text. And then we'll set for the title. Whoops. We have to check the define this policy setting, and we're going to say Dover. What is it? Dover Corporation Security Policy. This is number 7 in the walkthrough. We'll say apply, and we notice that that's the change, and that's the change. So we should see when we attempt to log in, it should bring up a box with this title, and the text in that box should be that. So we're going to go ahead and log out. Say OK, close that, and we're going to log in again. Look at that. Dover Corporate Policy, the title, and the text. So this is otherwise known as a login banner in some systems. That's all this means. So we say OK, and then we'll be able to log in. This is just a message, and you can use this to give important updates of a system or whatever. But that just shows you how you can make some changes to the security policy. This concludes our walkthrough. If you want to see real quick here, we try to log in. You notice we didn't see the login banner, and that's because we didn't do the GP update. You'll see that here in a second. But if I say I'm going to go ahead and apply this policy, I don't want to wait the 15 to 20 minutes for it to percolate through the network. And I try to log in, all of a sudden you notice it does the same thing on the Windows XP machine that is currently running. So the group policy is now is applied to all the machines because we did it under computer. It's all machines in the domain. This concludes our walkthrough of activity 9-6, configuring group policy object security settings.